responsible for reparations in the Department of Traditional Leadership Support Services, the President of the National Council of Chiefs, Senator Chief Mshale Kumalo, here with us, the Deputy President of the National Council of Chiefs, Senator Chief Charumbira, who is also our President for the Pan-African Parliament. We recognize your being here. Deputy Minister, team of responsible for local authorities and traditional leadership. Deputy Minister, responsible for public works and associated departments. Members of the Council of Chiefs here present. Our Chief Director, responsible for traditional leadership, Vice Corps, in absentia. Officials from the Attorney General's office here present. Other senior government officials who may be here. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Nasindivumidzei kuverenga nechirungu. Nekuti nguva isikuvumidza kuti tiite mashure. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to warmly welcome you all to this important roadshow on the Traditional Leadership Bill. I extend my sincere appreciation to every participant here today for prioritizing this exercise, which is central to the strengthening of traditional leadership and community governance in our beautiful country, Zimbabwe. The purpose of this roadshow is to refine and consolidate our collective contributions towards a modern, relevant, but robust traditional leadership bill. This process is not merely administrative, but it is also foundational to preserving our cultural heritage and enhancing community leadership structures, as well as aligning with our national development aspirations, particularly that of the 8 rural provinces. Their leadership therefore contributes significantly to peace building, environmental stewardship, community mobilization, and the preservation of Zimbabwean identity. It is therefore essential that the legislative framework governing this institution reflects the full weight and dignity of these responsibilities, taking cognizance also that their being here is not by our design or choice. It is a constitutional matter. As government, therefore, we are committed to ensuring that the Traditional Leaders Bill is fully aligned with the Constitution, with the values of our people, and with the realities experienced by traditional leaders in their daily service to the communities. The bill must also support our national development priorities, including devolution, rural transformation, climate resilience, and inclusive community participation, among others. A strong, well-structured institution of traditional leadership is indispensable to the achievement of our national vision, Vision 2030.